to the channel. I'm Christy from Christy Planning It Out, and I am happy to um, go into my Hobonichi Weeks planner with you all. It's been a while since I've recorded um, any spreads in here, but so for the week of October 6th through the 12th, we're going to do a plan with me. And I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to use just some washi tape, and the rest is going to be pens, markers, and just getting to the bulk of the versatility of Hobonichi Weeks. So I have some Coffee Mustard Co. washi tape. This is from what I believe might be a subscription, or I can't remember. Did I order this at the anniversary sale? I think it's the anniversary sale because this is fairly new sitting on my desktop. I have a lot of washi tape from Coffee Mustard Co., but a lot of my things are being packed up, and so that's why we're doing a pretty simple spread. So I'm going to do my normal setup, which you'll see this done by plenty of other content creators who share their Hobonichi Weeks. This is a Tombow 131. I'm going to make sure that's the right color first and foremost. That's a bright green. I don't want that green. That's not going to work for me. So I'm going to find the right color first. I think I'm going to just go with a beige. Um, don't know this number, but this is that like a tan brown. And we're going to see what we can come up with as far as lines here. Yeah. And so I'm going to leave a space for my weather, because this is my health and fitness tracker, mental health, physical health, what have you, whatever um, a journal that I might throw in my purse when I go to the doctor's office or someone's going to the doctor's office. I have a place to write everything in. If you saw my piece of my 2026 journal, 2026 planner ecosystem that I'm building out, so far I want to share with the Hobonichi, but I bought two Hobonichi Weeks for next year. So I'm gonna do something different. Still mapping that out, and I'm gonna take my time with making those decisions. Just right now, I don't have the capacity to think of what exactly, but we'll get there. So I'm drawing out boxes here on this side um, for glucose monitoring. So I just recently found out that I am diabetic. I'm a mild. I guess it's just I'm trying to get back into um, the pre, not full, but I am right as of now. I am a full diabetic, and so I'm tracking my weather here, my glucose numbers there. So I'm going to use some Zig dot markers here. I have some Zig clean dot markers, and I'm gonna use this tan here. And we're going to have a space to write how we're feeling and what we ate. So I'm only putting 2 dots per date per day, and then I'm going to use the top one for meals, the top one for um, any reminders, anything I need to put on my calendar to remind me of that day, and the bottom will be food that I eat. Um, so let's get a Fudanuske as soon as I find it. I had it earlier, and of course, I am recording and I can't find it. So let's see. I don't know if this is a good one or it's one already that's worn down. Okay, we're good. Okay, so we'll do weather. And then we'll do glucose and put meals at the bottom. And I really need to uh, buckle down on this portion of it. We're in my household right now. We're in the middle of packing and moving, getting ready to move, so it's just all over the place. And I'm not proud. I know I need to buckle down. I think November will be a much better month for me, hopefully. But right now, uh, we are going through the refrigerator and freezer, cooking things that we don't want to have to haul with us. So I'm going to do a spot over here for reminders. I'm going to draw a line here and a here. And then I'll make a little habit tracker because my mind's been all over the place. I can't honestly say I have been remembering everything. It's just been a lot going on to the point where I'm shocked that I'm even able to record. So we're going to write out um, we'll write out habits and um, to call because that is a big deal for this week. And then remember, okay. It's gonna be a fairly short video today. I just want to show how you can use your Hobonichi Weeks. You don't have to have a lot of stickers. You don't have to spend a lot of money on things. You can just use pen and marker, pen. You can use just pen, maybe a couple different color pens. So I'm going to write the days of the week, 3, 6, 7. So we got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we're going to write medications, um, water, AM meds, 3 minutes outside. I'm going to do just to make sure I'm getting that in, and blood pressure. So I'm going to keep up with my blood pressure um, through all this. So we're going to fill in the weather information, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I was able to throw in my weather here, and I drew my icons. I do have icon stickers to represent the weather, but I'm really trying to stick with the theme here of not using a whole bunch of stickers, just in case if you're new to the community or new, or you're trying to see how to go about using your spreads. Definitely, it's all optional. Um, you don't have to have all the things. You don't have to buy all the things. And in this economy, sometimes that's just not feasible. And the thing about planners, you want to use them to help out your life. It is your tool to keep up with everything. So that's the most important thing to do is to make the planner fit your needs. And that's what I'm showing here. And basically, I have a space to leave my meals. And then I have anything that's a priority that day. If I had appointments or anything, I would write that in. If it was just maybe I'm feeling weird, maybe I had a headache, or maybe I feel kind of shaky after I took my medicine, I can track all that because this is my health and fitness. My reminders, I have a doctor's appointment next week. Um, I write down anything else to called and I write in enough information just to keep up with it. But basically, that's one layout that you can do in your spread. I mean, your Hobonichi Weeks. I have used this for the entire year, and I flipped through this several over on TikTok, and it is full of the same, but it is a very powerful planner if you utilize it the right way. This is a mega, so you have a lot of space. I often use the back part to write down information from the doctor, but this is my spread for the week of October 6th through the 12th, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you, and if you found my information video helpful, please consider like, sharing, and subscribe. And I hope to talk to you in the next one. Thank you.